Eating healthy can seem overwhelming in our fast-paced world, but nutrition plays a key role in improving overall, and specifically, brain health. And since there are 5.4 million Americans living with Alzheimer's disease, including 1 in 8 older Americans, and that statistic is expected to more than double in the next 40 years, having a tasty food that boosts brain power can't hurt. Mixing a smoothie requires little preparation, but has enormous benefits for our health. By including these key ingredients, you can improve mental clarity, brain function, and memory. Today's video will discuss how to make brain-boosting smoothie. This brain-boosting smoothie recipe is loaded with healthy fats to support nervous system and brain development or function. It's healthy, delicious, and so easy to make. Start your day with this great recipe. Easy and delicious brain-boosting smoothie. Total time, 2 minutes. Serves. 1. Ingredients: half avocado, half banana, half cup blueberries, 6 walnuts, 1 scoop vanilla flavored collagen protein powder, half cup water. Directions: add all ingredients to blender, and blend until smooth texture is reached. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comments section below.